Welcome to another JPJ Discovery video. 4 trillion. That's the ballpark for how many rogue planets could be drifting through the Milky Way right now based on studies. Worlds with no suns, no stable orbits, just darkness and gravity. So what is a rogue planet? It's a world that formed in a planetary system like ours, and then got kicked out. No parent star, no cozy orbit, just cast into interstellar space, pulled only by whatever massive object it happens to pass. Most of these cosmic castaways get ejected early, when young solar systems are chaotic and planets play gravitational bumper cars. But the universe doesn't stop being messy. Instabilities and chance encounters can fling unlucky worlds into the abyss at any time in a system's life. How many are out there? The latest estimates suggest roughly 20 rogue planets in each star system. If we take a middle value of 200 billion stars in the Milky Way, that's about 4 trillion worlds. Let that sink in. For every point of starlight you see, there could be 20 cold, invisible planets drifting between those lights. So how do we find rogue planets? If a rogue planet is young and massive, think Jupiter-sized or bigger, it can still glow faintly from leftover heat, and we can catch that light, but most aren't so cooperative. That's where gravitational microlensing comes in. Here's the idea. Gravity bends light. When a dark object, like a rogue planet, passes in front of a distant star, its gravity acts like a lens, magnifying the star's light for a brief moment. The bigger the mass in front, the stronger the lensing. Astronomers watch for those blink and you'll miss it brightening events. No need to see the planet itself, the gravity gives it away. You might have heard of other exoplanet tricks. The wobble method, where a planet tugs its star into a tiny dance, or the transit method, when a planet passes in front of its star and dips the light. Microlensing is different. It works even when there's no star for the planet to orbit. Now the big question, should we worry about rogue planets? It sounds like one might crash our cosmic party, but space is huge. Absurdly huge. The chances of a rogue planet barreling into our solar system and causing chaos are, in the words of NASA scientists, not very likely. Early worries focused on a Jupiter-size interloper, but evidence suggests most rogue planets are smaller. An Earth-sized passerby would have far less power to destabilize orbits, even on a close approach. So, yes, our galaxy is teeming with orphan worlds, silent and cold, surfing gravity wells between the stars. They make our night sky feel stranger and grander, and with each microlensing blip, we catch another ghost in the dark. If you want more deep dives into the weird and wonderful stories, stay tuned at JPJ Discovery. See you in the next one.